Yeah, is that your baby sister?
Yeah.
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 We've only been home from the hospital 2 days. It's the first thing Dylan wants to do, and she really likes him. Although she doesn't look like it right now, but she's been hanging out,
So we
looking at him.
About Uncle Sid.
Yeah, Dylan's being very gentle. You're being very gentle, huh? Rubbing her head. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, be careful, don't. Yeah, those are duckies. Ducks. Yeah. Yeah, that's a zipper.